Huckhouse. This is my studio tour. Now this is not a flex. I'm not here to be like, look what I got, blah, 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 blah. I just want to show you guys your room. This whole space is designed for you guys so we can have sick live streams, we can do incredible resort reviews filmed in the studio where it's nice and quiet, the little dude's not yelling in the background, but also where we can make all the merch. See, exactly. But this space is for you guys. Now also, remember when I did the house tour video, which if you missed it, you can check it out there, but we went into this space and it looked like a garage. It looked like this. It was just like not special. It was an area, it was a room. Boom, it's a huge room. And I was like, it's gonna become the most incredible studio. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I've done. It's just taken 3 weeks, close to $1,000 to complete. And I think we did a killer job. So come with me, check out your guys' studio, in my YouTube studio, the Buckhouse. I don't know. What should we call the studio? Comment down below. All right, here we go.
For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I'm padding my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force.
All right, boom. Right when you walk in, you get greeted by the snowboards. You know, we have the Stale Sandbeck Pro model that I won with the Stall Lines Challenge video. That was super sick, super incredible. That video is also right there if you missed that. That was a competition Gimbal God and Stale Sandbeck hosted, and we won it, and I was super stoked on that. So that's a trophy board that's going on the wall. Also, we have the Mountain Dew snowboard that I said literally why I bought it. My dream snowboard. It's so cool, it's so green. It really sets the mood in here. And then I also have the Shredbot Union Pro models. Those were the first thing I bought with my YouTube money in season 1. I was really stoked to pick up those bindings in. So we're gonna save the best for last, which is the desk and everything. It's pretty sick. But over this section, this is the sticker making section. This is my Titan, it's just the Titan vinyl cutter. It's a 28-inch vinyl cutter, so I can make a ton of stickers in one go. This thing is incredible. This is how I make all of the Evolution stickers. You'll see where I store them in a second. But if you didn't know, I make all of the stickers. I got all the rolls of vinyls, all the cool colors we have. Literally any color you can think of, we have it in Evolution sticker, as well as cool prints like electric, fire, Lego, like so many cool versions of the stickers. So if you don't have an Evolution sticker, they're linked in the description. Snag an Evolution sticker. But I built this desk. I do need a computer to run the sticker machine. I have a separate computer to run it so I can still be editing or doing whatever I need to do instead of my computer being taken up, because it does take like 30 minutes to an hour to print like 100 white, like, or any color stickers. So take some time. We do have a crazy, insane, cool view out of this window. It's pretty sick. You get to see all the snow falling and stuff, which is awesome. And boom, this is the assistant's desk, whoever's helping, slash the sticker desk, because it's a bigger desk than my current desk. So if we need to weed stickers, or if we need to write sticker orders, whatever we need to do, we can do it at this desk. And of course, you can't do anything on the desk without Chief looking over you. The Halo 3, like, it's a painting. It's not a poster. Thing is super sick. I got that years and years ago, and I've always wanted to have it. Oh, I had it on my wall for the longest time. Then I got married and I had to take it off the wall. But now I got my own space and I have Chief on the wall. But yeah, this is the assistant's desk when we have Jason or whoever is going to help us this season with editing, as well as like making stickers, everything like that. This is where they are going to work. Of course, we got the ski area of the United States. Every resort in the United States, we have a goal to ride every resort in the US. We are at 72 of the 467 ski resorts. Not only is this map, if you want to buy it, is in the description. It's all of the ski resorts in the US. But check out our digital map of the US. It's this really cool link that our buddy Kenny Shelnut made us, and you click into it and then it shows you all the ski resorts. It's cool to just like look around it. But if you go to the green ones, that's where we've gone, and click them, then you can watch the videos at that resort. So if I've gone to your ski resort and you missed that video, you can check it out, but also you can see all the other ski resorts we still have to get to. So it's gonna take some work, but we'll get there. And here, guys, is the command center. This is where all the editing is gonna be taking place, because I edit my own videos. I'm trying to get an assistant with editing, but I will still finalize every single edit until whoever is helping me edit gets up to speed, and maybe they're taking off, but there'll still be times I'm gonna edit. But this is where all the live streams are gonna go down, where everything is gonna go down. I have made a office tour in the past and showed off my desk and everything. I made this desk, I made everything in here, we'll break into that. But this desk is my old desk, but fit perfect on this wall. That was designed to take up, be a huge desk. But back in the day, I only had the wall was my office. But now I got space, I can spread out, and everything's super nice. Before we had a window above the desk, but now we have a huge 55-inch TV. The point for that is I can then connect that to my laptop, and then whoever's helping me edit, we can do a mirroring option, and I can be talking and sitting here, and you can be seeing it on the television, which is super sick, and they don't have to be like hovering me, looking at a tiny little laptop and everything like that. To my right, we have all of the drawers filled with the stickers, and then just some of like my camera equipment, anything I need, but that's like kind of bulky, it's hidden, it's in these drawers. But yeah, all of these are labeled, so we know exactly where to grab what sticker, because we have so many sticker options for you guys. And I cannot say thank you enough. So many of you guys snagged the stickers. Like so many of you guys snagged the stickers, and the stickers kind of made this whole thing possible. So guys, thank you so much for snagging the stickers. If you want to see us continue to grow and continue to be something awesome, like snagging merch is one of the best ways to support the dream. We have the cool Colorado sign that I made that years and years and years ago, which is cool. I have the BTL A4 Wing Starfighter Bomber from Star Wars. This was given to me by Outdoor Master when I signed for them as a pro rider for their goggle company. I now ride for Kuno Optics, but it was really cool when I got that as a gift signing bonus type thing. I don't know, it was really cool. They're like, I got this for your son. And my son was 1 at the time. I was like, oh, you got that for me. We also have the Halo Energy Sword made out of Legos. Absolutely insane. That was kind of, I've always wanted it, being a diehard Halo fan, competitive Halo player back in the day. Always wanted an energy sword, and then when obviously a Lego version is coming out, gotta snag that. To my left, we have the cool pirate ship up top. You'll understand about the pirate ship soon. We got the Master Chief helmet, because dude, come on. Once again, being a diehard Halo fan, all of us wanted a Chief helmet. Now I got one. Like, come on. Then we got the Phantom 3 Professional. That was my first ever drone. That thing is sick. We flew it in every vlog in season 1. Still works. It's still a beast of a drone, but I do use the Mavic Mini now. It's just smaller, easier to travel with, everything like that. That thing is bulky and heavy and just gnarly. And then on the next shelf, we got my Packer certificate. I am a Green Bay Packer owner. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of the Packers. I'm an owner of the team. Super proud of that. Don't be commenting about the Aaron Rodgers situation. I don't even want to talk about that. Don't even want to talk about that. But yeah, super duper stoked to be an owner of the Packers, and the address that's on there is like 5 houses ago, so everyone chill. Don't worry about the address. Okay, so we're gonna be doing resort reviews. We're gonna be going live, and we had to step up the game. We had to let people know that we were serious about what we're doing. So we got a custom-made Keep Evolving Evolution logo that lights up, signed for the background. Neverlanded made this for us. It is so sick. I absolutely love this sign. I'm really stoked to be able to have something cool like this. Like every snowboard brand has like a cool thing hanging in a shop window, things like that. Like you go to a skateboard, snowboard shop, there's cool like things for the products, you know, Burton, Union, Volcom. Like they're gonna have cool things hanging on the walls and stuff like that. So I had to get something sick to put on our studio where we're starting. This thing is one of a kind, and it's heavy, but it's super sick. Behind this door is where all the junk goes. So we keep out here looking super nice. So as you walk into the closet, you have the GoPro / battery charge station, everything, every camera. I have like all my old GoPros chilling here. This is just the spot. You know, this was on my first shelf on the desk. It was just getting cluttery, kind of looking bad. Then we have all the backpacks I use. You know, like the Abby bag, my travel bag, camera bag, other camera bag, drone bag. They're all hanging up nicely. They're not in a big pile. I can get which one I need super quick and easy. This is a cool, like Vince Lombardi quote, whatever. It says, the difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. And I truly believe in that, because I'm not the sickest snowboarder. I'm not the most talented, whatever, but I will show up and work my butt off every single day. And so I think me and Vince Lombardi have something in common. This right here is super cool. This is my Keystone speeding ticket. Right here, I still have it. Because that thing put us on the map. Thanks, Keystone. Behind me are just like all the winter jackets. I kind of have them in order by season. So like right now we got the spring warm jackets, and then I put the winter jackets back there, and then like Roman's like what clothes he's gonna grow into go way over there. And then just other nonsense like all my books I've read, just other collectible things. Things I can just like, we're in Bobby's way, and I can put them in here, and she won't care. Now that we've looked at everything, let me break down how I did everything real quick. So this wood is just a wallpaper. This will be linked in the description. It's super sick. It looks real from the distance. It's so awesome. These are little like gravity holders for a snowboard. These will also be linked in the description. They come in a 2-pack, which is super handy, super awesome. On the door, these little like absorption squares, and I also have them on this entire back wall of the desk, or all these squares, and even on the back door to help with the echo, but also to help things that didn't look good, like a door. So those will also be linked in the description. I have a ton of stuff in the description. The desk is super simple. It's literally just this like bar and then these little like arms that hang out, and then I bought the wood, stained the wood. So that goes for this desk as well as this desk and this shelf. Stained them all the same color. Same as my main desk, but I did that one a while ago, but I still had the same stain. So the desks all match, which is super sick. Obviously this wall is just paint, and then I did put this trim on from here. It also goes all the way around the top, which is super sick. And then I built this vinyl holder myself. It's just like, you know those like tons of holes that you can get? Well, it's that stuff, and then you kind of just link it in and then distance, and then holds all the vinyl. It's so sick. I did install the carpet and put on the baseboards and everything like that too. So the best part is like this office, I did it myself. It looks really good. It went from this to now this, and it didn't cost a ton of money. It did take 3 weeks to do, but that took 3 weeks with still posting daily content for you guys. Do want to flex a little bit on that. Like I did all of this and hang up all this stuff and did all this work, and still kept pumping out the content for you guys. But that's why I do what I do. I absolutely love doing it. I love the grind. I love working hard and just bringing you guys top of the line content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this office tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is yours. I made this so you guys can get sick content at a professional level. We do this for a living. It needs to be at this level. And I'm happy that we got it to this level. And it's only gonna get bigger, and soon this super sick office that I'm like, it's so much space. I can't wait until there's like 3 dudes working in here, 4 dudes, and like we're blowing out of the space. We're like, dude, we gotta get a bigger office. Like, let's make that happen sooner rather than later. But also, I left this blank spot right here, you know, for like a 100,000 subscriber play button. I look pretty sick right there. We gotta make that happen. Best way to do that is share the videos, or if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because my goal is to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible. But also, no, I'm a dude. I gotta make some other type of content too, like an office tour, which is so sick. Obviously, if you like The Office, smash that like button because it'll help other people find these videos. The more people seeing the videos, the better the channel's gonna do. So smash like. And with that, Team Huckhouse, lastly, just comment down below. What's your favorite thing about The Office? What do you think I killed about it? Let me know. Give me the feedback. I love to hear it. And with all that, Team Huckhouse, thank you so much for checking out my office with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because we post daily content here. I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody. Sometimes you gotta put the work in.